sulong ng impeachment na yan? Hindi ba si Speaker Martin Romualdez? It was Congress that made this possible. Now that Inday is forced to choose candidates who are the strongest and more likely to be able to protect her because of the trial that the Senate is going to conduct, you have no other person to blame except those people na nagsulong ng impeachment. Sabi ni Ma'am Marie, ang tanong, sino po ba ang gusto ninyong susunod na presidente? Kung si VP Sara, why can't we trust and support her decision? Wala si Tatay Digong ngayon kasi VP Sara ang leader natin. Kasi if she really wanted to, the power and all that, di nakipag-chuwariwak na siya kay BBM. After all, siya yung ate. Kaya nga niyang utusan yan dati, pero naitsipwera siya. Bakit? Because increasingly, even ever since inauguration pa, and hindi mo masasabing wala akong alam dyan because I was at inauguration. When VP Inday left, sila ni Aimee ang magkasama. So, and si Aimee, itsipwera yan. In fact, I remember this correctly. It was fairly public. Was that originally, Aimee was going to have a bigger role in government. And if she had a bigger role in the executive, hindi yan naabot sa puntong ganito. She would have defended the Dutertes kasi siya nga yung responsible for, one of the people responsible for brokering the deal. Remember that the person who really sealed the deal was GMA, not Aimee. Ngayon, minalakihan ninyo yung papel niya. Pero ito yung sinasabi nyo, what has she done? She conducted the Senate hearing. Di yan enough? She has been critical in many instances. If she wanted to just enjoy the power, she could very well have done so. But she does not have any power. She does not enjoy any power. And she continues to advocate for the Dutertes. Huwag mo sasabihin sa akin na wala siyang ginagawa or not going full blast. Ibang usapan yung kapatid na nga yan ng kinontra niya. Ang laki ng demands ninyo over something that I'm pretty sure you will not be able to do were you in her shoes. Sabi ni Eliana, yes, bakit pinipilit ang narrative na sinisira si Aimee? The dots are connecting. I trust you, Joey Sass, and other DDS vloggers. At the end of the day, I will follow BBISD. Kasi nga, matagal ko nang nakikita. Wala pa akong nakikitang dahilan para masira si Aimee. Ang dami nang lumalabas na pinupush talaga yung kasagaan niya. Saan nang gagaling to? Sabi ni Ma'am Ann, I understand even Robin Padilla raised Aimee's hand as well. Iba po si Aimee, hindi po, that's the wrong sister. Won't that cement even PDP and PDP will receive her? So, hindi po. Robin says that his endorsement is personal and not on behalf of PDP. Sabi ni Niv, kaya pala double agent ka kasi co-host ka daw noon sa DWIZ ni Sen Aimee. Ayun pala yung reason nila, pang marites yung galawan. Diba? Any shallower than that, and malulunod sila sa platito ng tubig.